until tomorrow, for the next 2 days, we are going to be hosting the pre-conference. So the pre-conference is basically where we have our academics coming together, and there are going to be different sections. We've got 3 sections where there will be facilitation by different guests from different universities. Firstly, we've got one which will be on writing for publication. That's one that will be facilitated by Prof. Dube. And then we've got another one that is on designing curricula for a global citizen, which will be facilitated by Prof. Leslie. And the last one will be on student data analysis, and that one will be facilitated by Ms. Boy.
For me, it's an honor because it's the first time that I attended Teaching and Learning Conference. I work with data and I work in strategic office in institutional planning. So being invited to a Teaching and Learning Conference is a privilege and honor because the work that we do in terms of data, it also impacts on what happens with teaching and learning or within the classroom as well.
I think the most fascinating aspect of this particular workshop and also this conference is the ability to interact, to exchange knowledge and to capacity build the sector in terms of research production. As we know that research and publication is a critical component of teaching and learning, but it also drives innovation. So I think this is a central component of any university as we move the country towards the 2030 vision.
Well, it's wonderful to be here, and I enjoy engaging in different spaces with different colleagues because when you engage with colleagues it becomes both a sort of learning process. So I haven't been part of this conference before, so it's great to be here, and I'm sure there'll be lots of fascinating and interesting ideas being shared that we can all benefit from and learn about. And then of course it will be also very vital for students in the 21st century, so some of these ideas and insights can be taken and also shared with students.